Welcome to my channel, Black Butterfly Expat. It's me, Andreamaria, reporting to you from Tijuana, Mexico. Just want to check in with y'all. Shout out to all my people who've been with me since day one. I love you. I love it. I love it when I see your name and when you speak back to me and things. Let me know that you're a real human being over there. I appreciate the love. Thanks for tuning in. Just a little something, a little snippet right quick. I just wanted to show y'all the other day I went into the markets and oh my god, like it is amazing to me how everything like fresh is at hand for you, like seasonings. Like I am not talking about black pepper in the bottle. I'm talking about straight out the wherever it came. I don't know how black pepper grow. All these things, I just wanted to show y'all that in this next video, man. I love that, like all these natural things being at reach, because I'm all about the nature, baby. Anywho, I'll be talking to you all real soon. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe and like.
No, le está ocupando. La ampolleta ahí me investiga de la ambulante. ¿Negativo? Ya. Sí, bueno, ya. Pueden correr.
Gracias a Dios,